Yumi and Sunday series.
Hi. So, how many of you have thought to buy a gift, but it feels so heavy? What they like, what they dislike. Somehow, we just feel that gifting is so tough. It's supposed to be the sweetest thing that you can do for someone. So, let me break this down. I mean, gifting is simple, but kind of tough, right? Tough because it involves money and a lot of thoughts and time. And I will tell you how you can find that out. Because you just need to listen to them. They must have told you many times. So trust me, you know what they want. You know what I have realized? Giving gift is something not that you are showing what you can afford or what you can give it to someone. No, it's not about that. It's about showing someone that how much you have noticed them. It might be something that they have told you 10 times, somebody to give them a perfume, a specific perfume that they have told you 10 times, or it can be a book that they have mentioned 10 times but they have not bought it by themselves, or smallest thing that have told you that they wanted to hear from anyone stating that how special you are, how amazing you are. These are the gifts that make a lot of sense than the expensive gifts. So it's never about cheap or expensive, it's all about your thoughts, how you can make them feel so connected, so important. So this gift became a formal thing that the corporate company has to do it with us. So it's a gift is never be a formality, it's gift is to make someone a special importance noticed, something like that. So for me, the main agenda of gifting is to make that person feel special, make them happy. So hence we give the gifts on their special occasion to make that special occasion importance, like birthday. So it's not written anywhere that you need to give someone a gift on their birthday. No, it's not. It's just to make them feel special on that day. So how one can be happy while by having their special food, by having their favorite clothes, by having their something that were in their wish list, something that you must have heard from them, they must have told you many times, and they would have also told you that this gift would make them feel very happy. So you just need to notice small things. Sometimes best gift comes from their own choice. Instead guessing and giving them a wrong gift, just ask them what actually they want. So next time, instead thinking what will look good, just think what will make that person happy. That will make your life very easy. You just still don't know what to gift, comment down below, I'll help you out. See you next Sunday series.